and welcome back to my channel. You may have noticed something about me today. I'm very ill, but that's not what I'm here to talk about in today's introduction of my video. I am here to thank, oh my god, I gained another 100 subscribers today. I'm here to thank 900 of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have, let's just block my face, I have 1,411 now, and a couple of days ago, like last Friday or something, I had 390 subscribers, so it has gone up massively. So I'm very lucky, and hopefully this video I'll get lots of views, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see when I post this later what happens. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I get views. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, give it a like, give it a comment on what videos you want me to do, because that would be very helpful. Now that I've got a lot of subscribers, I'm sure you guys want to see something specific, so let me know down in the comments below what you'd like to see, and I'll be around to getting it done for you whenever I can. But my next video I'm going to do is a what's on my iPhone, because I did a poll on YouTube and on Instagram and you all wanted that first, but I'm doing this one first for ease because I'm ill, and then I will do that one, so you'll see that one next. But sorry if you can hear outside, I'm keeping the window open. Just start off with my brows. I'll be using the Got To Be Glued glue for my brows. This is what makes my brows have that laminated look, which no one's seen on my YouTube before, because I have never done my brows like this on YouTube before, but I've been doing this for the majority of this year. I'll start by, I do this with the glue just to get it through to the ends. With that, and now I get my other spoolie, and I've got a spatula on it, and what I do with this side is I just push it down to my skin with this. I do use my finger as well, but to begin with I just use this, and then I push it down with my finger, just using drag wipes, super drag own wipes, and I'm just going to go around the perimeter of my brow just to get rid of the excess glue. I'm going to go do the same thing to this brow, and I'll be right back. So now my brows are done, I will be using to fill them in this brow brush here, and it's by the brand. Just go lightly over the brow, a little pencil brush or eyeshadow, but usually pencil brush because it makes it a little more natural, and then I go my two finished collection Lasting Perfection Concealer Matte Full Coverage 16 Hour Wear in the shade Cashew. focus. So now I take a brush like this. This one's just from Primark Precision Concealer Brush in the shade 121 from Primark, but they probably don't do it anymore because Primark just takes things out very fast and I got it last year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with underneath. For this, just to make it not look okay, so we're just going to ignore this brow. This brow never happened. This is the final product of what I wanted to show you. So this is my finished brow. If you go onto my Instagram, which is linked in the bio, you can see my fluffy brows with more volume and definition, as these brows are very short at the moment, but they still look just as effective. As you can see, they look a lot better than I'm zoomed out. They look a bit more uniform. So thank you guys so much for watching this video of me updating my brow routine. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below what videos you want me to do next. Thank you guys so much for all of the new subscribers, and welcome if you're new. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you next week with my next one. Bye.